Looking for a quick way to change your phone grip style without buying a whole new PopGrip? The PopSocket replacement top is exactly what you need. It lets you swap out your PopGrip's top piece in seconds, so your phone accessory always matches your vibe, outfit, or the occasion. Plus, it's designed to work seamlessly with your existing PopGrip base, saving you time and money. I've been using the PopSocket replacement top for a while, and the convenience is impressive. Switching tops is simple. Just press flat on the PopGrip center, twist 90 degrees until you hear a click, and the top pops off. Then, snap on a new one that fits your style or function. Whether you want a fresh look or need to remove the top for wireless charging, it's effortless. The grip stays just as secure, so you can keep using your phone one-handed or prop it up anywhere with confidence. One of the best parts? This replacement top works with multiple PopSocket products like PopGrip, PopSlide, PopWallet Plus, and PopCase. That means you don't have to buy a new grip base for every style change. Customers love how this topper-only option fits perfectly, especially when paired with cases like OtterBox. It stretches just enough to feel comfortable, even for thicker fingers, and the secure click ensures it won't come loose during use. If you're someone who likes to keep your phone accessories fresh and functional without the hassle of replacing the entire grip, this PopSocket replacement top is worth a look. It's affordable, easy to swap, and keeps your phone grip reliable. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your phone's style and usability without extra bulk or cost.